Hello and welcome to the channel. Now in here I have supposedly a Lanshan 2. I ordered it directly from the 3FUL website about 5 months ago in September, early September it was, with a view of using it quite a lot in the autumn season. However, I didn't manage to get out wild camping once during the autumn season. My last wild camp was late August until the recent one I've done in the new year. Now, I haven't opened it yet. It's been sat in my room in the corner, boxed up from when it arrived in September. So it could be anything in here. You just never know what you're going to get. I know a lot of YouTubers who rave about their Lanshan 2, the amount of space it gives you for the weight you're carrying is just exceptional. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of this Lanshan 2. I decided to go for the Lanshan 2 over the Lanshan 2 Pro. It's in sandy khaki colour and it's the 4-season inner. Now if I open it up and it's none of those things and it turns out to be a set of spoons, I'm not going to be too happy. So let's see what happens. Now it was ordered in September, took a little while to get here, might have even been ordered late August, but since then it's just been sat neatly all wrapped up. Right, so first sneak peek through the packaging, which was well done by the way. I was quite impressed with how it was all packaged up. Things are looking positive. It does look like there's a Lanshan 2 in here. Whether it's the right colour, whether it's the right model, whether I've got the right inner, time will tell. So let's get it open. Now, I know there's lots of different alternative Lanshans that you can buy. There's the nightcap version. There's this 3FUL. And there are even others. It's a bit of a mystery as to what that's all about. Because everybody seems to say, well, you know, it is a 3FUL version, but it's just got a different name. Okay, here we go. So this is how it arrives in a box like this. It says 3FUL gear, it's a Lanshan 2. Everything looks as it should. That's good to know. Now, I'm guessing this is a generic sticker they put on it, so I'm hoping it's not the green one because I've ordered it in the khaki. I think the khaki one's really well designed to be, you know, camouflage when you're out there on the hills. Brilliant. All right, let's get it open. Okay, first look. Yeah, it's the sand one. Brilliant. Pleased about that. Right, well, all seems to be as it needs to be. So there are some labels on it from 3FUL gear, just here. And the clip has a 3FUL gear name on it, brand name. So let's have a look inside. Now I've never owned one of these before. I've heard they're brilliant. So it seems to be a roll top bag at the top and the bottom, but only one opens, and then inside you've got your tent. Now please be the 4-season inner. The 3-season inner's got a lot of mesh on it, and those of you that have wild camped before will know that with lots of mesh there comes a lot of draft. Okay, everything seems nicely sealed up and tightened up. That's a good sign that everything's new and as it needs to be. So, okay, so it comes with a bag of pegs. We'll have a look and open those in a minute. Let's have a look in here. It's obviously a trekking pole tent, So you need 2 trekking poles for the Lanshan 2 and 1 for the Lanshan 1. A lot of people say though, if you're going to get a Lanshan, go for the 2 because the weight difference between the 1 and the 2 is very little, and for the amount of extra space you're getting, it's yeah, certainly worthwhile going for the 2 instead of the 1. However, the 1 still looks great. Okay, so it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kind of stake pegs, standard pegs, fairly lightweight. I'll probably do an in-depth review on this once I've used it a little while. It comes with a repair patch. Yeah, comes with a guy rope. There's 1 there, or maybe there's 2 in it. And then, if I open it all up, you should see whether it's a 3 or 4 season. That's the big thing I'm worried about. So everything seems absolutely as it needs to be at this point. It's just whether it's a 4 season. Fingers crossed. So from looking around the inner, it seems like it's the 4 season variety. There's very little mesh, which is what I wanted. I'm really impressed with how it was all packaged. It's arrived exactly as I ordered. So it's a 4 season, sand coloured Lanshan 2 with all its pegs, all its guy ropes, and it came very well packaged and arrived on time. So fantastic work from 3FUL. So I'd recommend, from what I've seen so far, ordering from 3FUL. It cost 130. I think it was just over 130. Ordered directly from the 3FUL website. So brilliant stuff. I'm looking forward to getting this out on the hills and testing it out and seeing how it performs. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.